Take a look at this. The banana. It is the most consumed fruit in the world. We eat billions of them every year. But here is the dirty secret of the banana industry. For every ton of fruit we harvest, we are left with 2 tons of waste. For decades, these massive trunks or stems were chopped down and left to rot in the fields, releasing methane and clogging up waterways. It was a global environmental headache. But recently, a high-tech revolution has taken over the plantation. Engineers and scientists have discovered that this agricultural trash is actually hidden treasure. Today, we are taking you inside the factory that turns rotting stems into luxury fabric, durable paper, and even car parts. Welcome to Made in Cognito. Before we enter the factory, we need to understand the raw material. Technically, a banana plant isn't a tree at all. It is the world's largest herb. That thick trunk you see, it contains no wood. It is actually a pseudo-stem made of tightly packed layers of leaf sheaths filled with water. But if you peel back these layers, you find the prize. Long, incredibly strong structural fibers running from the roots to the leaves. This is what the factory is hunting for. But getting it out, that is the hard part. The process begins with tuxing. Workers or automated blades separate the sheaths. The outer layers yield coarse, strong fibers, while the inner layers provide something softer, almost like silk. Now the heavy machinery takes over. This is the decorticator. It is the heart of the operation. The stems are fed into the machine, where high-speed rotating blades crush and scrape the plant matter. It is a violent, noisy process. The machine has to strip away the pulp, the water, and the sap, leaving only the pure fiber strands behind. Out of 100 kilograms of stem, we might only get a few kilograms of fiber. It is precious stuff. Once extracted, the fiber is sticky and green. It moves to the washing stations to remove acidic sugars, and then to the drying lines. Whether sun-dried or passed through industrial ovens, the result is transformed. A glistening white, high-tensile material often called banana silk. So why go through all this trouble? Because banana fiber is a super material. It is naturally water-resistant, fire-retardant, and incredibly durable. You might have it in your wallet right now. Because of its strength, processed banana fiber is used to make high-quality currency paper like the Japanese yen, which is notoriously difficult to tear. But the real innovation is happening in fashion and automotive industries. Factories are now weaving this fiber into a sustainable alternative to cotton. Even more impressive, by mixing the fiber with natural resins, manufacturers are creating Bananatex, a waterproof, plant-based leather. No cows, no plastic, just bananas. This factory isn't just producing goods, it is solving a massive economic puzzle. In the past, farmers only made money from the fruit. Now they sell the waste, increasing their annual income by up to 30%. It is the perfect circular economy. We don't need extra land, water, or fertilizers to grow the fiber. It was already there, supporting the fruit. We just learned how to unlock its value. From a rotting heap on a plantation floor to the interior of a luxury car or a high-end handbag, the humble banana stem has come a long way. As industries look for alternatives to plastic and polyester, The solution might just be growing in the tropics. The next time you peel a banana, remember the engineering marvel that held it up. If you enjoyed this look inside the manufacturing world, hit that like button and subscribe to Made Incognito for more deep dives into the way things are made. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.